Hello friends, and welcome back to a new update video and a new analysis video on Bitcoin, where we will be taking a look at everything that's going on with the bigger coins here, and taking a look at some of the things that I see with Bitcoin, and some of the news that might affect it in the coming days. So first of all, let's take a look at what's happening here. Okay, so this is the fear and greed index. Okay, which calculates what's happening in the project in Bitcoin, and whether people are buying the project, or people are fearing the prices and just selling. Okay, so right now the fear is about 28. Okay, so this is pretty high. You can see that last week was fair at an average of 30, and yesterday was extreme fear. Okay, we can see it's at 22, and today it's on 28 as well, which is very high. Okay, but now why do I still believe that once there's fear in the market, this is when the time is the best to come in and actually buy the projects. Okay, it's not when Bitcoin is at 60,000. No, you buy into long-term projects and long-term opportunities when there's fear, because that's when a lot of people are selling, a lot of things are going on as well, and you have to capitalize on these opportunities. Okay, you have to get into a project and long-term projects when people are fearing that price will continue to downtrend. Okay, so just a quick rant. I just wanted you guys to understand that the best time to get into a longer term plays is when there's fear in the market. Okay, and now take a look at this, guys. Today we have extreme fear. Okay, but now if you take a look here, we can see that we had about 47,000. Okay, which was where the imbalance occurred at. Okay, so 47,000 is a very good price entry for the imbalance that happened before we saw the bearish momentum occur. Okay, so overall you can see that we are in the moving average, 50 moving average. We are overall in a downtrend. Okay, we can see price every time rebounces back off of the 50 EMA, we see a downtrend occur. Okay, we can see that over here as well there was a big gap, so the trend was very high in this one, and once we retested back at the levels of moving average at about 43,000, we saw that we created a double top here and then continued to the momentum down. Okay, where there was extreme fear, you can see here as well on April 11th when we saw our the extreme fear chart, where it stated that on that day there was extreme fear and a lot of people sold, and that's why you see here the big gap in the moving average, and also when we were oversold, we could see that Bitcoin rallied back up right away. Okay, and we could see also in the MACD here we crossed, and we were indicating that there was going to be another reversal that happens. Now, guys, okay, I want you all to be familiar with this. Okay, so we can see here we created a very heavy support level. Okay, we can see that over here we retested, created a double bottom. Okay, and then once we did that, look what happened. Okay, we saw that price reversed right away. We could see that we broke out of our moving average, and then what I wanted to see with Bitcoin, okay, to signal that there was going to be a reverse, is to create a support level at 40,000. Okay, this might be a liquidity grab. Okay, so there might be a liquidity gap where investors are selling to come back to the levels of a low here, and stop out investors who decided to sell. Okay, so at 39,000 we have an extreme support level here. Okay, now this is why I believe Bitcoin could rally in the next coming days if everything goes well. We can see the levels here of support at 39,240. Okay, this level in my opinion is very, very crucial. Okay, if we are able, since we are also oversold right now, we can see that we are also about to indicate here with the MACD another reversal on the bullish momentum. If we could come back, if I could see a little bit of volume for the bearish side come back down here to the levels of 39,000, where we are just a little bit oversold, and I still believe this would be a great entry in my opinion. If we can, since we are holding this level very well, we can see here we held it up for twice and three times where we wicked down here, but never closed. Okay, which is why it's indicating this is a great entry right now for Bitcoin. We are under just a little bit over 40,000, and we are also a lot of indication that if Bitcoin can rally back up to at least the levels of 43,000, if we do hold on to this level here. I do truly believe Bitcoin will hold this level here. This is not financial advice, but I do truly believe it could hold this level here at 39,000, where we saw a lot of price comes down here to the support and it rejects that level. Okay, we see a lot of wicks coming down here, but never closing. Okay, so just keep that in mind that this level, in my opinion, is very, very crucial. And if you want a dollar cost average in Bitcoin, I would advise just take a look at this and make your decision And if you want to be more conservative, wait a little bit and under 39,215, because this is where the price has respected it several times. But I still believe this is also a good entry, because we could see here where we went up at this level here at about 39,635, came back down here to this level, exact level here, where we were oversold, and then continuing back up. Okay, so just keep in mind that so this level here as well is a very crucial support area. So we are currently holding that, but if we do break onto this level, retest back at 39,690, we could see a rebound back a little bit here to a liquidity grab, which is about 39,215. I do truly believe that since we are here at the moving average as well, and we are closer to it as well, it gives us a better indicator that if we could break this level here, if we could see a little bit of volume come in like we saw here before on April 13th, a little bit of volume to push us a little bit to the upside, retest back at the moving average here at about these levels here at about 40,315. If we can retest back and create a support level there, then I truly believe that we can rebound back to the levels here at about the last order block that we had before at about 42,215, before creating hopefully a support there, breaking and creating a support there. Moving average is also going to reverse hopefully in the upcoming, indicating that momentum is coming in for Bitcoin, and then we could see a longer term play come in for 46,860. If you are a long believer in Bitcoin, I would advise to just dollar cost average, okay? And these levels here, I truly believe it's a good indication. We are about to, like I said, signal here a bullish momentum come in. Just take a look at it, guys, and make your decision. We also know that 40,000 is very heavy support. So I hope you guys liked the video and found value, and I hope to see you on the next update. Take care and stay